Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a privacy policy here in Clickfunnels. All right, so first up, go ahead over to Workspace Settings. Here in the left panel, just click on it. And once done, go ahead over to Pages. Okay, click. Now in here, let's go ahead and create a new page. All right, specifically here under Landing Pages. Or you can go ahead and add it to a site page. Okay. So for example, in this area, I'm going to go ahead and click on New Page. Now it's up to you if you want to start from blank or if you want to use any of these templates. All right. Now, for example, I'm just going to be using maybe this one. Okay. I'm just going to click on it and name this one as Privacy Policy, like so. And then once done, let's just go ahead and click on Create. Okay. Click on it, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, here we have it. Okay. As you can see, it's been added to the landing pages because we didn't tick the sliders that says index in search engines and add to site navigation. So going back, let's use this one, the privacy policy landing page. Click on the gear icon. Now go ahead and scroll down and just copy the URL. Okay. Right click and copy. Now go ahead over to your funnels right here and select the funnel where you wanted to enter the privacy policy. For example, under opt-in, I'm going to go ahead and edit it. And then usually at the very bottom, we have privacy policy, conditions, and terms. Okay, like this. Okay, so what we're going to do to add in a link right here under privacy policy is just you're going to want to click on the text block and then highlight the privacy policy. Okay, highlight and then click on the link function. Click on it, erase the number sign, right click and paste. Okay. Once that's done, if you want to, you can go ahead and change the color. If not, just close it, tap away, and hit on save. All right, just wait for it, and it should be good now. Okay. As you can see, when we hover our mouse onto the privacy policy, while we are here under editor, it will be underlined. That means that it got a link. So let's just hit on preview. And here, when someone scrolls down, when they click on privacy policy, it will open the landing page that you created. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.